Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Big Cartel account. First, go to the Big Cartel website by typing www.bigcartel.com into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, click the Login button at the top. Next, enter your shop URL and password to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Big Cartel dashboard, where you manage your store. From the dashboard, click on Account to open your account settings. Here, look for the Manage Plan section. Inside Manage Plan, scroll through the options until you find the Close Shop button. Click it to begin the deletion process. Big Cartel will then ask you to choose a reason for closing your shop. Select an option that best fits your situation, or choose Other if you prefer not to say. After submitting your reason, confirm your decision when prompted. This is your final step before your shop is permanently closed. Once confirmed, your Big Cartel store will be deactivated and no longer accessible to customers. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Big Cartel account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.